In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to the menu section of Facebook. On the menu section, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on your profile name. Beside the Edit Profile button, you'll be able to find these three dots. Click on these three dots and this will take you to the profile setting. Now go ahead and click on Turn on Professional Mode. Click on Turn on to be able to confirm that you want to turn on your professional mode for your account. And here you can set default post audience to public. You can enable this if you want to, but as for me, I won't do that. Now go ahead and head over to the next step. So in here, you'll find a few things that you'll need to do to finish setting up your professional profile. Now, once you head back to your Facebook account, you'll be able to find a professional looking Facebook account given that you've turned on the professional mode for your account. And that's how you can simply turn on professional mode on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.